Hello. Of course, practicing maths is really important, but some practice can sometimes be a little bit monotonous, a bit boring, and you can find yourself switching off and not thinking. What I'm going to show you now is an activity where your son or your daughter will be doing lots of practice, in this case multiplication, calculation skills, etc. But there'll be something else going on as well, something that will keep them interested and keep them thinking. So you start with the multiplication where the two numbers are the same. So the answer is going to be a square number, in this case 49. What happens when you add 1 to one of the numbers, subtract 1 from the other one, and find the new product? In this case you get 48. 7 sevens are 49, 8 sixes are 48. What's the connection there? Let's try another one. 4 fours, it's another square number, 16. Put 1 up, put 1 down, multiply them together, 50. What's the connection? Let's try one a bit more ambitious. Now in this case, it's not a fact your son or daughter would know, so they could do some column multiplication, or maybe they could just try out some creative calculating skills just looking at those two numbers. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to do 20 multiplied by 23, and then I'm going to add 3 multiplied by 23. 20 multiplied by 23 is 460, 3 23s are 69. I'm going to add those up. So 23 multiplied by 23 is 529. What if you put 1 up and you put 1 down? Again, you could do column multiplication there, but I'm going to do two 24s and 20 24s. I'm going to do 480 and 48. I'm going to add those together. What's the connection between these two products each time? Is that always going to be true? Can you find any numbers where that might not be true? Try lots of numbers and see what happens. And maybe if you want to have a conversation about why that might be true, you might say, well, suppose these are any two numbers. And we put 1 up, and we put the other one down. And if your son and daughter has done a little bit of algebra before, they might be able to multiply those two brackets together and see what you get. And maybe that might be an indication as to why this trick works. I hope you enjoy it.